Hello everyone, welcome back to MechFlair. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and handy tutorial on how to save your engineering data in ANSYS as an XML file, and how to use that XML file across any ANSYS version you prefer. Whether you're working on multiple projects or just want to share your material data with colleagues, this tip will save you a lot of time. Open a new ANSYS project and drag the engineering data. Choose your required materials. You can add your custom materials. I am adding a glass fiber material properties here. Select all the required materials and export them as an XML file. Open a new ANSYS project. Drag the engineering data and import the XML file we just saved. These are the same materials we have saved earlier. If you have a newer version, let's say 21 R2 or 21.2, and you want to export the engineering data to an older version, such as 19.2. Open the XML file with Notepad++. Just change the 21.2 to 19.2. Save the XML file and import this file in older version. The engineering data will be exported from newer version to the older version.